Hi guys, welcome to my channel again. Today I'm going to prepare beef stew. So let's see the recipe together. Now I'm going to find lemongrass stalk. It is enough. Beef, cauliflower leaf, lemongrass stalk, cilantro, carrot, dry sweet pepper, galangal, star anise, sugar, soybean oil, fish sauce, salt, garlic, curry powder, oriental beef spicy. So now I'm going to clean everything first, and here is carrot. Galangal, lemongrass stalk, cauliflower leaf. Then I start to clean all vegetables. Clean one more time. After finish preparing vegetable, now I start to clean the beef. So after finish clean vegetable and beef, so now I start to cut carrot. For carrot, after we separate it in this side, I just separate it into two parts like this. And galangal. Lemongrass stalk. Then I'm going to cut the beef. dry sweet pepper. Now I start to boil the water in order to cook the beef a little bit. Now I just wait it until it's boiled. Now the water is boiling. I add some salt in the water. And add beef. And for the beef, I just cook it a little and make sure that the strong smell from the beef it go away. So I take it up. Then I start to grill lemongrass stalk, galangal, and kaffir leaf. I also grill star anise. Now it's time to cook. Add soybean oil. Add chopped garlic. Add chopped dry sweet pepper. Add curry powder. Add oriental beef spices. Add fish sauce. Add salt. Add sugar. Add beef. Add lemongrass stalk. Add galangal. Add kaffir leaf. Add star anise. And then I blend it together. Add some water. After add some water, I need to keep it until the beef is cooked enough for eating. So now close the cap. Add carrot. Now it's cooked, so I take it up.
Can we test it?
with me and my brother. Yummy.
Yummy. The recipe is finished.
So as you can see, last moment I have test the beef stew with bread, and moreover you can test it with the other noodle. If you interested in the recipe today, you can try it at home. Thanks for watching, and I hope you will enjoy a lot with this recipe. Thank you. Bye bye.